Have you ever thought how many times you use AI in every single day? And you may think you don't use AI, but the truth is AI is already a part of your everyday life. So today let's talk about how we can use AI wisely and how the learning use AI is becoming an important skill. Hey everyone, I'm here to improve my English and a very welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So as you know, I'm here to improve my English, and if you are a learner like me, so this video is helpful for you. So today we talk about how we can use AI and how AI is helpful for us, because in every day we use AI for searching information, and you know what, sometimes it may be wrong, because AI also told you generating information sometimes may be wrong. So please don't depend too much on AI. And the second one thing, you just need to first think your own thinking, then you need to go for the search AI. Like if you are totally dependent on AI, then your mind, you know what, maybe stop thinking critically. So don't try to depend on AI, try to use AI smartly. And sometimes we should be care about what we say, because some AI tools collect our data. And you know what? we also guys train AI, because you might heard within a 1 month AI becoming a craze, because we use a lot, and that's why. And there is also pros and cons, but we need to focus on how we can use it smartly. Like we use AI to learn English, so every day, and many times I use AI in a single day to search, and you know what, to having a conversation even also. So for that things I use AI like ChatGPT. So I talk with ChatGPT to improve my English, and you know what, AI is helpful for also students. When students use it smartly, like if a student don't understand any topic, then student can search at AI and make notes and summarize the things. And the best things, AI is also helpful for making your exam plans. I also do, like if I need to make a plan, so I go to ChatGPT and search whatever I want, and I told ChatGPT to make a plan. So guys, there are lots of pros and cons, but we need to use it wisely, because I think upcoming generation totally depend on these things, directly go and search. But we need to avoid these types of mistakes. When we totally depend on ChatGPT, then we create on disaster. So we need to use these things smartly. So like that way I am trying to share my opinions and suggestions, so you can also do like that me. Because I am sharing all the things because I want to improve my English. And if you are also want to improve your English, so I already told you in my previous video, you can try to share your suggestion, opinion like me. So I hope you are getting all the things. And what do you think about ChatGPT and whatever AI tools? You can share your opinion and suggestion in the comments. Then your mind try to think in English. So please give one chance to your mind think in English. Don't rush like go and search what kind of things happen. No, Just give a time to your mind think in English. So this is all for today, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to practice, and also share your opinion in a comment box, and I will definitely check out.